Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I will give you guys a coupon code to save 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35. Now, I will put a link for the curated bead box and the coupon code down there below in the description bar, so you can go to the website and put the code in and save your 35%. And the box that I am opening is for July, and the theme for this box is called Pastel Paradise. And I'm really liking this box so far, by the way. The last box I got, I didn't do a video on this, but I got a whole bunch of gemstone beads, and I made these 3 bracelets right here. I love all of these. They're stretchies, and they're just so cute. They're great for a guy or a girl. So that's what I did with the last box. Alright, so I'm dying to open this one. I actually got it a couple days ago and I was not able to film it now. But here's a picture for the stuff that's in the box. And here is the list of the things that are in the box, in case you've never seen this before. Alright. And I like that they have these codes here on the side in case I want to reorder something. Okay. So here's my knife. Let's go ahead and open this and see what we have. Oh my gosh, I didn't see that on the box. Oh, I see, it looks black. What I realized the past 2 times I've gotten this box, you don't see everything in the picture. Like, it's hard to get all the stuff in the picture, and I know because I have to take pictures all the time. But like this strand right here, this electroplated one, I don't really see this in the picture. It's right there, but it looks black. Look at that, that's pretty. Okay. Oh, I like that pink. Okay, dump this out. Okay. Ooh, that is gorgeous. That's a beautiful teal. It looks greener in real life. In my camera, this looks like a capri blue, but it's more teal. It's a greenish blue. It's teal. Maybe it's the lighting on my camera. Alright, I'm going to... Oh, those are the coolest crackle beads I've ever seen. I have never seen that before. Oh, it looks like veins. Those are neat too. This is a really cool color mix. Teal. I love teal. Pretty. This subscription box makes me want to make stretchy bracelets, and I've never really been an elastic bracelet person. But this box is making me want to do simple jewelry, which is great because sometimes I feel like I do stuff that's just, you know, so over the top, and I want to do something that's easier. Those are cute. Those are chunky. They don't look that big in the picture. See that? But those look big. I love those. Alright, let's go to the list. First thing on the list is 12mm pale plum faceted glass bead, 12-inch strand, pale plum. That must be this. This is such a big strand. 12mm. I don't think I have 12mm faceted rounds like this in my stash. That's pretty. I love how chunky it is. And I think this bead, yeah, it has a big hole. It's like a 1mm hole, so I could use this for cord if I wanted to. I don't know what's gotten into me, but lately I have not really been wanting to do bead weaving projects. I've been wanting to do stringing. And my whole bead journey, and I've been beading for over 20 years now, has always been like bead weaving, stitching, real detailed, intricate seed bead stuff. But lately I've been wanting to do easier stuff for some reason. And that's not like me at all. Alright, so after that is 12mm deep Aqua Jade style glass bead, 8-inch what? 8-inch string. So the next biggest is this. Yeah. 12 deep aqua jade style glass bead. Yeah. So this bead does have a coating on it. It's a painted bead. But you know, sometimes to get colors like this, you have to have it painted. Like this. That there has to be painted for the bead to look like that. I mean, I've kind of seen gemstones that are kind of like that, but not in that color. So I love that. Gorgeous. Again, I want to do stretchy bracelets. Next thing is 10mm violet glass pearl bead. This one, so not last month, I think it was the month before, I got this in the 12mm. I just put them away into my stash, and I have the art bin super satchel where I put my glass pearls at, and I went through my purple section and I had a bunch of this color in 4 and 6mm and 8mm, but I didn't have any of the bigger sizes, and it's nice to have the bigger sizes. Those are gorgeous, beautiful. Look at these two together. These two right here. Alright, with this pink. I think I've been doing a lot of this color mix lately. Pink, purple, and blue. Alright, next thing is 10mm labradorite duo style glass bead. 6.5. This? Yeah. Duo style glass bead. I don't know what that means. But this is definitely the coolest crackle bead I have ever seen. Like, there's a paint on it, but the crackle, I don't know if that's like a dye that's inside of the bead and then they put a clear coat over. I don't know how they did it, but it's really amazing. Very pretty. Okay, next thing, 6mm silver jade style glass bead, 16-inch. This is the really big strand right here. This is unique color. I don't have a color like this in my stash. I have a lot of hematite. Let me think. This is kind of similar to smoky quartz, but it has a luster finish on it. Yeah, I don't think I have a color like this. There's a lot there. And again, they have big enough holes. See that? Big holes where you can use this with thick elastic cord if you wanted to. And I really like the color mix. Like, see? Those look good together. Next thing is 6mm pink jade gemstone style glass bead. This? 10.5. Yeah, it's that one, because that's shorter and this is glass and that is actually a gemstone. This is so bright. I have crackled pink beads, and this has a milky, like mine are clear, but this looks milky to me. Do you see the milky look there? I think I want to do stretchy bracelets again. I think I do. What is next after that? 6mm pink jade gem style. I already read that. That's silver jade, pink jade. Okay, we have 3 strands that are 6mm. The third strand is rose quartz gemstone bead, 7.5-inch string. This is perfect for a bracelet. Yes, it's pretty. And what I've learned with rose quartz is there are so many different shades of pink in rose quartz. I have some rose quartz that are so pale, they don't even look pink, they look white. But see this string here, this pink string? Because that pink string is in there, it magnifies through the bead and makes it seem even pinker. Which makes me want to string this with pink cord so that the bead appears pinker. You know what I'm saying? So those are pretty, and I love the turquoise. with the rose quartz. Alright, what's next? Oh, is it this? 4mm turquoise gemstone bead, 7.5 inches. This is great because it's perfect for a bracelet. And was it last month? I got an 8mm turquoise strand, which is, it's dyed howlite, I think. But it's still beautiful. I still love it. It's very pretty. Okay, so I did those. And then, wow, these are great together. I like those together. The next thing is 4mm purple antique vintage style glass bead, 12 inch. This, yeah, I do think I missed something. Oh, there it is. I see it. Okay, I'll go back up. So they're calling this vintage style. I think this is an electroplated glass bead. I have these, and I have them in 4mm, and I have them in like a 10 or 12mm. They're really gorgeous. It's plated. It's not painted. I think it's actually, yeah, if you look through the hole, see that? It's actually a clear bead that they plate. Isn't that amazing? It's really cool. Okay, so I skipped this strand. Going back up the list, I see there's only one 8mm strand. This is called Deep Aqua Faceted Glass Bead, 12 inch. This is so gorgeous. It's teal. This is teal too, but this one has a milky look. Do you see that? They are gorgeous. I love this strand so much. And I really like all the colors in this box, and I feel like there's so many things that go together. It's really going to be easier to make something with this, just with the beads that come in this box. Alright, so after that, it's the bird charms. 46 by 20mm birds on a branch, silver metal pendants. 2 pendants. I wonder if I can use this in a bracelet. Let's see. Ooh, I like these. Okay. So I am wondering, because of the connector, if I can use this in bracelets. I've done several videos lately. I've been into macrame, and this would be an epic piece to do a bracelet with. And you might even be able to bend this a little bit, just gently curve it. Use your fingers to curve it. I'm not really applying any pressure here because I'm not totally sure if I want to do that with these right now at this time. But that would be really cool in a bracelet. Do macrame on the sides. I have 2 videos. I'll put pictures of those videos up now. I think it was 2, or did I do 3 videos? I don't remember. Creative Dreams bracelet, and I think there's a Flower Fantasy bracelet. You could use that there in those projects. Alright, so those are so cute. That looks like a Hill Tribe silver. Next thing is 10mm silver etched metal beads. 5 beads. That's this one. Yes, this silver etched metal spacer bead. Yeah, this looks like the Hill Tribe silver. I had charms that I got in another subscription. Not this subscription. It was a different one. But they have this same little pattern on there. Those little dots. Looks like a little flower. They're real cute. These are solid, by the way. They're very heavy. But not hollow. Okay. And the next thing is 10mm silver etched metal spacer bead. 3 beads. That's this one here. That's cool. Is it like, these are also solid, by the way. Is this like a basket weave or something? They have big holes. You know what I did when I made those gemstone bracelets last time? I went into my stash and I found metal beads that had really big holes, because these here, that's like a, I think that's like an 8.8 millimeter hole. It's pretty small. I needed something that, a place to hide my knot at, so I just got these cute little beads there, which is the center of my bracelet, and I hid my knot inside there, and I didn't even use glue, but it hides in there perfectly. So I don't think that's big enough to hide the knot in. What about that one? Maybe that one, I don't know. Next one, oh, this is a rose. 6 millimeter silver flower metal spacer bead, 10 beads. These are precious. I love flowers. Pink flowers are my favorite. There's the hole. Cute. Alright, and remember, they're doing this in every box. I love this. Especially if you're brand new to making jewelry and you don't have all this stuff. Every month you can make jewelry with your box. You don't have to use anything out of your stash, because it's all right here. So we have earring findings, jump rings, and these are thick jump rings, I have to say. They're like a 6 millimeter, I think it's like 18 or 20 gauge. They just seem really chunky to me. And then we have lobster claw clasp, a nice size lobster claw, memory wire, bead stringing wire. This is head pins, but those there have a paddle look. And then the elastic cord and crimp beads. Now I used their elastic cord last time to make these three. Still had more elastic cord left over to make more stuff, and I really like their elastic because it's super strong. Very strong. Like the elastic that I have in my stash, when I stretch it out, it doesn't go back. And it's not that old, so I don't know what the deal is with that. But they have really good elastic in this box. Right? So here is everything that I'm getting in this month's box. The colors are so pretty. I feel like things go together so well. Like, I love these three together. And this purple with this teal together. Maybe those three right there. And these two together. I think with the gray. Yeah, you can make several pieces. I'm loving this. Alright, so this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. What an awesome subscription box. And remember, I will leave a link for the curated bead box down there below in the description bar, and I will also leave the coupon code AGERM35 to save 35% off your first box. So this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.